everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart haul. Funny thing is, I was going through my Ibotta and I'm just like, I'm not gonna make this bonus. There's a bonus that ends on Tuesday and I'm like, I'm not gonna make it. Then I'm like, you know what, screw it, let's do it. I'm gonna try to get it. I only needed 15 more. With that bonus, it does vary for everybody. Like some people might have a couple. I needed 30 rebates to hit the $10 bonus, and I made it. I was super excited, and one thing I'm super excited to do is share with you guys what I got at Walmart. One thing I did like is I only used one paper coupon. The rest were all regular like coupons from the inserts, so that's one thing I truly like, because I know a lot of you guys don't like using paper printable coupons, but you know, that's the only way we can get good coupons lately. But otherwise, I used a lot of good coupons, and some of them I didn't. The cashier, she's like, now my store does take printable coupons. Not every store does, but my store does. And she's like, well, she had to call a manager. She's like, can we use this coupon? And the guy's like, did you scan it? Well, no. If you scan it, it works, then we'll accept it. Oh, I'm like, I gotta avoid this cashier. I had her last time when I did my savings catcher video where I had to film in the store. She's just like calling people, and I'm just like, oh my god. I worked at Walmart like 15 years ago. I know the system better than you do, but enough with the rant. I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now, I got less than 10 minutes to do this video because I have to go pick up my son from preschool or whatever, and now I'm kind of pissed off because they just informed us they're not doing afternoon preschool anymore, which is nice because, you know, now I have to take him shopping with me when I go couponing. Not a big deal, but we always take a lot longer than what I want, so got that going on. But let's just dig in and share with you guys what I got. So the first deal I got is these Oikos, or whatever, I don't even know how to pronounce it, Dannon yogurt. Now this is banana cream. I actually do want to try this. I love bananas. I've been eating bananas like there's no tomorrow lately. But this was just $1. You guys would pay $1, but then you guys will get a 50 cents back with Ibotta, making it just 50 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for 50 cents. One thing, you guys, I am so excited for is this stupid Perfect bar. This has been free after rebate on Ibotta, I think, for like the last month and a half. I have never found it in my store. I'm like, where the heck do you find this stupid thing? So then all of a sudden it was like, bam, it was right there, and I'm just like, are you serious? I never knew my store sold this, because the store that I shop at is a little bit of a smaller Walmart. And I'm just like, yes, so let's scan that and see if it works. And it did, so this was a perfect surprise for me. But the Perfect bar was $1.98. You guys would pay $1.98 for this, but then you guys will end up getting $1.98 back in Ibotta, making this absolutely free. Now, if you did this deal already, it's no longer good. Very rare the free after rebates ever reset. They only let you do it just once. So, but I was super excited to find this. And if you guys cannot find this, I found this right near the yogurt. Like, you got all the yogurt, and then you got like the butter, and then like the Pillsbury stuff. It's like in between. It was like weird, but I'll take it. It. The next deal I got is a Febreze. This is going to keep on resetting for me. I'm going to keep on going. Now, these coupons that you guys should still have, they don't expire till 2019. We had some coupons that we got like last summer, and they don't expire till December 31st, 2019. I know, it's crazy. But the Febreze is $8.84. You guys want to use a $4 off coupon that you got. Now, if you guys don't have that coupon, there is a printable coupon that you guys can print on the Febreze website. But you guys would pay $4.84 for this. Then you guys will get a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making $1.84. Again, not the greatest, but you can't go wrong for $1.84. I got some chocolate milk while I was shopping. I'm like, I want some chocolate milk. I don't like milk, like regular milk, but I love chocolate milk. So, got that going on. Ended up getting the starfish tuna, or Starkiss tuna. Now, here's the thing. They got a deal on Ibotta right now for tuna and chicken. My store did not have the chicken, but if you guys do that, definitely look for the chicken. It should be near the tuna. Now, I've really been wanting tuna sandwiches, and I'm just like, I can and cannot have tuna. Like, I just can't have too much, but I am super craving tuna right now. But this was $1. You guys would pay $1 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 50 cents. I think that's a pretty good deal. Now, they had different flavors, and I'm just like, okay, what flavor do I want to get? Because I'm the one who eats tuna. My husband doesn't. So I thought ranch would be a pretty good tuna to get. Why not? Why not? Right guard. I had coupons for these, but I lost them. I don't know if I can't find it in my pile of inserts that I have, but I did have a printable that I had from coupons.com, so I ended up using that. But there is a coupon out there. But the right guard was actually marked down to $3. So you guys would pay, with that dollar off coupon, you guys would pay $2 for this. But then there's a deal on Ibotta for $1 rebate, making this just $1. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, $1 for deodorant. Something I don't get very much. Well, I do get right guard a lot, but for Ibotta, it's an awesome deal. Next deal we got is the Tabasco sauce. Now, they also had the regular one, and I was debating on what else I needed to get for my 15th item, and I'm like, you know what, I don't need to get it because the Tabasco sauce, now this coupon came out yesterday, so yesterday was the 13th or something like that. So this is the Chipotle Tabasco, and this is the green pepper sauce, green pepper sauce. These were each $3.56. Now the regular one was also $3.56, but the regular one had a 50-cent rebate. These had $1, so that's the reason why I kind of passed on that. Unless I absolutely needed to do that rebate, I would have done that. So $3.56, you guys use that dollar off coupon. You guys would pay $2.56 for both of these. So this is two different deals, two different rebates for you guys. You each can submit $1 and $1 on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $1.56. So my husband loves hot sauce. He put hot sauce on tons of stuff, so I have a feeling he will like these. So pretty excited to get something different than what I usually get. Now, I was going to do this deal last week, but I decided, no, I'm not going to do this. And then I decided, oh, screw it, I'm going to do it. Excedrin. Now, this is the 80 pack. 80 pack, okay? The smaller one does not work for the Ibotta deal. So, the Excedrin is $9.84 for this thing. Holy crap. But, yeah, there is a $2 off coupon that we just got in the 2 Sundays ago's paper, so the 1/6 paper. You guys would end up paying $7.94 for this, but then you guys will get $2 back with Ibotta, and you guys will get $2 back with Saving Star, and I also had another Saving Star for $1.50. There's 2 different Saving Star deals. One expires in less than a week, and the other one expires in March. So that was a pretty good deal. So this big bottle ends up becoming $2.44. So I thought, not the greatest deal, but with my $10 bonus that I wanted to get, I'm like, I'll get it. So, got that. I got a couple things that I didn't want to get, but I really wanted to hit that bonus. Cotttonelle wipes. Now these used to be a whole lot cheaper, but they've gone up in price. So these are $2.43, okay? You guys want to use a 50-cent off coupon that we got from the 1/6 newspaper. You guys would end up paying $1.93 for this. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.43. So not the greatest deal for butt wipes, but hey, $1.43. Fetch Rewards also just added a whole bunch of new brands to their site. So if you guys are interested in joining Fetch, click my referral link below. Actually, just click the link and then you put the code in, and you guys will get $2 when you join. But you guys will get bonus points for buying certain brands that they have on their site. So you guys will end up getting 24 points extra for buying Cotttonelle. So I thought, go ahead and do that. Thermacare. Yes. Now this was $5.94. We do have a $3 off coupon that we got from again 2 weeks ago. You guys would pay $2.94 for this. But then if you go to Ibotta, you guys can get a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 94 cents. Now there was also a deal on Saving Star, but I used that up last week. If you guys haven't used it this week, definitely do that. That's an extra freebie. So definitely do that if you guys want to do that. I ended up getting Colgate mouthwash. My store, I think I wouldn't pay this price, but again, I really wanted to hit the bonuses. So the bonuses were, this was $3.96. You guys use that $1 off coupon. You guys would pay $2.96 for this. But then with my Ibotta, there was a 95-cent rebate, making it $2.01. Again, not the greatest, but I wanted to really hit some bonuses. So to me, it's better than nothing. And I actually got something like this. Now this is the Clorox toilet wand. I kind of want this because my kid's kind of, you know, he's peeing, but he doesn't aim very well, and it's kind of getting gross, and my bathroom smells. But I thought this would be perfect to clean the toilet with. This was $8. Where is this? This was $8.53. Now, I didn't have any coupons for it. I do know there's a 50-cent off a 2 coupon or a $1 off a 2. I didn't use that, but $8.53. So you guys would pay $8.53, but then you guys can submit a $5 rebate on Ibotta. And you guys, if you haven't already, you can add the 1% Saving Star. So I'll get 1% of what I paid for Clorox from Saving Star. But the final price comes out to be $3.53 after the $5 rebate. So I guess this is a pretty decent deal. It's something I don't get, something I thought it would be kind of good to have. So I ended up getting that. Got Poise pads. Now, these were $4.84. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we got from 2 weeks ago. You guys would pay $1.84 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, and you guys also get 40 points for Fetch Rewards. That's an awesome deal, making it a $1.16 moneymaker. So I absolutely like deals like this. Make sure you guys scan the items. For these last couple items, I have to scan them while I'm at the store just to make sure they qualify. So, ended up getting the Carefree liners. These were $2.86. I used that $1 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $1.86 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 36 cents. So I think that is a pretty good deal. No, I mixed these up. you guys, I mixed these up. This is $2.97. You pay $1.97, and this comes out to be 47 cents. I mixed these up, so 47 cents. The Stayfree ends up becoming 36 cents for that deal. So $2.86, $1 coupon, pay $1.86. You guys get $1.50, making it 36 cents. So there is that. But yes, I'm sorry, I'm kind of in a hurry. I gotta go pick up my son in 2 minutes. But yes, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. My total came to $45.91. For Ibotta, I got $25.70 back. I ended up also getting a 25-cent any receipt, so that is included in that $25.70. I will be getting $3.50 back with Saving Star. I also hit the 15 extra bonus, or the rebates that I needed, so I'll be getting that additional $10 bonus. I also will be hitting level 2 for a $1 bonus. I still haven't got my money back from Ibotta, so I'm not sure if I hit level 3, but I will take that $1 level 2 bonus. My total, after everything all calculated, came to $5.41. That is awesome. All that stuff for $5.41. I got 15 items. That comes out to be just 36 cents a piece. So yes, I will take my whatever wand, the toilet wand, for 36 cents. I will take that. I mean, just look at that. That I could have just bought that one item, paid for that, and got everything else for free. So I think that is super good idea. I hope you guys can hit that bonus. Let me know if you need some more ideas, whatever. But I try to share with you guys my Ibotta haul every single week, and I hope to see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.